Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make up a baggy eye. So I'm gonna be going to do this smoky eye look for the baggy eyes, and if you want to see how I created this eye look, please stay tuned and let's jump right into the video. So you want to start with a really nice eyeshadow primer before you apply your eyeshadow for the baggy eyes, because we all know that our baggy eyes, they get a lot of crease over here because they are like kind of closed all the time. So you want to prevent your eyeshadows for creasing. So I'm using the Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion. So let's just apply it. So I just put a little bit on my eyelid and then just blend it all out using my finger. So once that is done, choose your trusted eyeshadows. Decide what kind of look you want to create. So I'm gonna be creating kind of like smoky eye look, but in a really warm tone. And for that I'm gonna be using my Morphe palette 350M. So first you want to go with the transition shade, and I'm gonna be using over here. And I'm just applying it all over my eyelid. It's really good to start with a transition shade as it just sets the primer on your eyelid, and for a long run it's gonna keep all the eyeshadow where they are supposed to be, so it's not gonna be creasing or moving around. So once you have set your eye, you can start to bring in some colors, whatever you have chosen. So you need to apply your eyeshadow just above where you are marking your crease. So I would assist you to keep your eyes open, because you're not going to put the color actually as much where your actual crease is, but you're going to bring it a bit more up. So I'm gonna don't really know what kind of look, like I want something really, don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this color over here now. And I'm gonna be building something up, like, I don't know. So as you can see, I am just concentrating on top of my crease line. So when I keep my eyes open, you can still see the color. It's the same if you want to use any kind of like daring colors, red, green, orange, whatever. So you can still, obviously you're applying it all over your lid, but make sure some of the color comes up. That's why it's really nice to use it like transition shades. If you're going for green look, so go from the lighter to the darker, so you kind of get really nice smoky, you can make really nice smoky eye look still with the baggy eyes. So let's jump into color over here now. And this one I'm just applying like on the outer corner of my eyelid. And as well, if you are like trying to minimize your upper brown brow, stick with the matte shades. It's really minimizing your upper eyebrow. And it's all about that blending. And as well, like any shimmer shades will reflect light on the and make things look bigger. So if you kind of want to take attention away from the hood, keep the shimmer on that part of the lid which actually moves. So it kind of will give you, it's gonna give your eyes a bigger look. So you can definitely pull out shimmery eye look if that's what you are going for. So this is how the eyes looks at the moment. So you have a color inside and you have a color on top of your eyes, so it doesn't disappear. Now let's give it a bit of color, shall we? I'm thinking about this color over here. And I'm gonna apply it inside my eyelid. So now you kind of like, it's really good that if your mirror is down, so you kind of are already looking down and it opens your eyes. So this red color I'm applying on my eyelid and I'm pressing it inside my actual crease and kind of like blending it out with my warm tones which I already applied, just to blend the colors all together and to create a perfect look. For inner eye, I'm just applying this color over here. Whoop. Just feel like it's nice and light. You can easily make a bit darker corners if you like, so like using, for example, this color over here with the little brush. You can just like tap it in. So the eyeliner, so if you want to like do a cat eye or like with a little wing, it is the biggest struggle for us small liddled ladies, lids. But there is really quick and easy step on how to do it. So grab your favorite eyeliner. I'm still using the Gigi Hadid and Maybelline's collaboration so eyeliner, which I absolutely love. So the first things first, you wanna do the whole line from the inner to the outside, or if you want to do the half one, do it from the half, however you prefer, however you like. So I personally am gonna be going from the inner corner outwards. So I kind of start from the middle. So I do like one middle and then from the middle I'm going inside. Wait, this one I need a mirror up close so we don't want to mess it all up. So make sure your arm is resting so it wouldn't like go everywhere. So make sure your arm is rested. My one is rested on my table at the moment. Make a line as close to your eyelashes as you possibly can, because if you make the line way too big, it's gonna connect with the bag, so and just gonna make your eyes look way smaller than they already are. So make sure you make it really tiny, really nice and small line just on top of your lashes. So then you wanna look inside the mirror with your eyes open and kind of like do a flick. It's kind of gonna give you like a little dot right in the position where, how far, or like right in the position where you're gonna do your wing. So do the same over here. Because your bag is kind of closed and it gives you like a hole. I don't know, like once you're gonna do it, you will know what I mean. So as you can see, I have like a little dot here and I have a line here. So when I'm doing this, it flicks over here and it gives me a little dot where after I'm gonna be able to draw my wing. So once I've done a little flick, you can now kind of like spread your eyes open and connect it. So once your perfect wing eyeliner is done, you can go to the mascara, and for the baggy eyes you want to choose a mascara which is probably waterproof, as when your eyes is open all the time, the eyelashes are touching our lids, and if they aren't waterproof or they're really wet, it's gonna smudge all the time and it's gonna make you like little mascara patches on top of your lid. It's gonna ruin all your look. So reach for the waterproof mascaras mostly, or fast drying ones. So I'm using the Too Faced mascara Better Than Sex. And it is a bit wet, but it dries really fast and it gives the lashes kind of like a bigger, fuller look, which is also a big plus if you have a baggy eyes, when you make your lashes like look fuller and longer, it gives your eyes like more open look as well. So if you're a fan of false lashes, go for it. So let's just apply the mascara. So now that the top of my eyes is done, don't be shy to put some color under your eyes as well. So that isn't really necessary, so if you're not a fan of under eye eyeshadow, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna be applying this brownish color on the outside of under my eyelid. So now for the lighter shade, I'm going with a small brush. And I'm gonna be using this color over here just for the inner of my eyelid, and kind of just I'm gonna drag it a bit down as well. So now I'm gonna be applying a bit of mascara underneath my eyes, and that's how I do my makeup for my baggy eyes. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press that huge thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. You can follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. They all gonna be linked down below in my description box, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!